going to make my slime. So the ingredients are shaving cream if you want to make it fluffy, and of course liquid detergent to make your slime, of course glue, and a container. So let's start. Glue. And I'll put my glue. Here's my glue. Okay, next step, let's put some whipped cream. First, look, you can see the white in the. Here's a look closer. There. But maybe this will make it super fluffy. Okay guys, it turns so light now. See? It turns so light. Ah! Okay, next let's put the liquid detergent. That's actually too much. Whatever. So amazing. I like this slime. It's so pretty. What? It's still not working. Maybe need to put a lot more. Okay, put the whole thing now. Now it's turning into slime. Maybe we need to put the whole thing. Okay, I hope it works. This is my background in my room. It's color white. Look at it! It's already slime. So I'm going to knead it now. Ah, so sticky. So sticky. Detergent on my hand. Oh. It's so sticky. It's sticky. How now? Still needs more kneading. Looks so gray. Looks so gray. See all the glitters in it? I'm going to put it here first in the paper. Put more detergent. If you put detergent on your hand, it's not sticky, so just keep kneading it. Like this is from Boracay. It says here, Boracay. Okay guys, now it's already not sticky, but let's get all the slimes in my hand. The puppy is so loud. She's outside. We put her outside because she wants to poop. Look how gray is this. Okay guys, I'm just going to get my slime that I did yesterday. I'm just going to show you my slime yesterday that I did. I'm going to mix them. So guys, I also got my slime here that we did yesterday. So I'm just going to mix them. Super little. This is what I did. It's so big than this one. See, they're not the same. Okay, get a little piece. Look at this piece. They got the same color. If you go here, they got the same color, but it's not that. See? But it's more lighter. You can still see this slime. Mix it, guys. Oh my goodness, it's amazing. Okay, here's the slime that I mixed. Which is your most favorite, guys? The